This guide walks you through the process of performing maintenance tasks in Zerynth. From accessing maintenance features to setting the workspace for maintenance app, follow the detailed instructions to efficiently manage maintenance operations within the application. Access the maintenance section. Click on the icon to add maintenance. Choose Designated Operator. Click the checkbox depending if maintenance is done or just adding the note. Enter the maintenance description. Confirm the completed maintenance. Click Yes to confirm counter reset. Click on the clock icon to check maintenance history. In order to enable all the functionalities of the maintenance app, click on Workspace Settings. Select the maintenance option and provide necessary information and/or periodic maintenance interval and/or working hour target and/or cycles target. Save the changes. This guide covered accessing maintenance features, completing tasks, entering descriptions, and saving changes in Zerynth. By following these instructions, users can effectively navigate maintenance operations within the application.